Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I am aging ethically. I am currently at the Fashion Square Mall in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm going to the Morphe Store because today Jeffree Star is officially launching his concealers and setting powders. If you are unfamiliar with Jeffree Star, he is a YouTube personality. He started on MySpace with music and then he kind of segued into makeup, and now he's a mega gazillionaire and sells a lot of product. I like his products because they're vegan and cruelty free. I'm trying to steer away from single-use plastics. I don't know if this product is recyclable, like the actual packaging. But I know that the doe foot style of the applicator, I watched his launch video, the doe foot style of his applicator holds a lot of product, so I might be able to repurpose that to use for like under eye moisturizers. I could use like a dropper and refill the package. I don't know. I'm doing a little mental gymnastics here to figure out if I'm going to buy this product today. I might not even be able to. It launches in about 40 minutes, and who knows, there could be a line full of people waiting to buy his products. There are, I believe, 30 shades of his concealer, and I'm curious how people waiting in line are going to be able to swatch and pick out the right shade for them. I know Jeffree said on his launch video that he has all the undertones listed on each of the shades, and it might help people who shop online to pick their perfect shade, but I kind of want to see them. I want to touch them and feel them to find, my perfect shade. So I don't know what to expect. I'm going to try. I don't even know if I'm going to make a purchase. I just want you guys to know what a Morphe Store Jeffree Star launch looks like. Now, I'm from New Jersey, so I'm going to take out my earrings now in case, things get a little physical, because that's how we do. All right, guys, let's go. I don't remember where the Morphe Store is here. I just moved to Phoenix in September, and I've been to this mall a few times, and I've gone to Morphe just for Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks, but I haven't been there in a hot minute, so I'm gonna have to find one of those cute little directory things. I wonder if I'm allowed to film in here. We'll find out soon enough. Ooh, there's a Sephora. Tempting. Not open yet, because we're going to Morphe. I'm particularly interested in the fact that this concealer is supposed to have anti-aging properties, and it's supposed to be non-creasing. Rushing to get there. The product launches in a few minutes. Oh, I see a line. I see a line of people. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go wait online, I guess. Still about 15 minutes left until Morphe opens their doors, and I have to say, looking at this line of people and the line continuing to form behind me, Jeffree Star, if you're watching this, you are a genius. You have people waiting to purchase your products around the country, around the world, just waiting with credit card in hand. That is just the pinnacle of success. Congratulations. we're opening, the Morphe Store is opening in 1 minute. And for those of you who don't know, a lot of the buzz and hype, I think normally he would have a crowd this large anyway, but his warehouse was broken into, and one of his shades was C5, I believe, of his concealer shade was almost completely stolen with like 100 units left. So Jeffree was forced to push this launch ahead of time. They're opening the doors now. It was millions of dollars of merchandise was stolen from him. So I think like the whole world.
They would only let a couple people in.
Yeah, I think they're just letting small groups in at a time. They have security here. I think this is going to be a pleasant experience. So through the tragedy of his warehouse being robbed comes the success of this mega product launch. I'm moving ahead, guys. I'm moving ahead. All right, I'll check back with you in a minute.
2 hours later.
There we go.
Sorry, guys.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, we're entering into Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Shout out to the young lady and her boyfriend that was standing behind me in line for a couple of hours. They were very sweet. So the Jeffree Star Morphe launch mission was successful. I did buy 2 concealers, one of his powders, and I did get a lip liner as well. I wasn't expecting to spend that much money, but after waiting in line for 2 hours, I was thinking about all the different looks and things that I could do with his other products. And in the heat of the moment, I spent a little more than I wanted to. I met some of the kindest, sweetest people in line, and Jeffree Star fans of all ages, and it was really, really cool. I was on the fence if I was going to buy this because, again, I'm really trying to cut back on my plastic purchasing, but I think I can actually probably repurpose these packages later on down the line. So I had to do it. I had to do it. It was in the heat of the makeup Hunger Games moment, and I got sucked in. But thanks again for watching, guys. This has been really fun. Of course, I'm going to post a review video of these products. I can't wait to do that. But as of right now, I have to get going. And I post brand new videos every Monday and Friday. Please do subscribe on your way out. I appreciate it so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at a Morphe Store Jeffree Star launch with me. It was a lot of fun. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye. Okay, now where's the Chipotle?